Like most fitness trackers, the Amazfit Stratos, along with its other wearables, are compatible with iOS and Android smartphones. But unlike the others, the Stratos can do more without being synced up with your phone. It can track activities with its dedicated GPS chip, and you can listen to locally stored music with a set of Bluetooth wireless headphones. You'll still need to initialize it with the Amazfit Watch app. Oddly, the Mi Fit app that other Amazfit wearables utilize isn't used at all. From there, it lets you more easily customize the watch faces and other settings that are much harder to access on the watch itself. There are few wearables companies who have a strong handle on the software side of things, and the Stratos proves that Amazfit isn't one of them just yet. While the offerings are relatively friendly to new users and data-rich, it's just a little strange that this uses a completely different app than the company's other fitness trackers. In terms of the watch's battery life, it of course depends a lot on how you're using it. Amazfit advertises a 5-day battery expectancy, and it definitely delivers on that promise. That's after a healthy mix of activities, all of which utilize the GPS sensor and heart rate tracking. It's worth noting that turning on continuous heart rate sensing and streaming music via Bluetooth are two very good ways of tanking the battery life. But should you just use it as a watch, you're looking at more than a week of battery here.